The question is why we need Python. There are several reasons such as it's simple and easy to learn. It's considered to be a base programming language which for beginners to learn has very complex codes as compared to other object-oriented programming or OOPS language like C++ and Java. In addition, it has a huge and vibrant community that provides state-of-the-art open source libraries for natural language processing, data science and web development. It's also useful for all kinds of development needs like web development, scripting, quick prototyping and data science. The language is very compact and handy for fast and agile development. It's used and promoted by companies like Google, Facebook and Yahoo.